Hey guys and gals, it's LeoX here today giving you a quick and easy tutorial on how to download and install Photoshop CS6. Now this is the latest 2021 to 2020 guide, whatever you want to say. So I've provided the software in my Google Drive, and I've also included the link in the description below, so go right there and check it out. After you reach the drive, just right click, download the particular file. Don't worry about this because anyways you can't scan above a certain size. After downloading it to your desktop, make sure to extract it directly, and after extracting the particular folder, you're going to find a setup and a serial key inside. After you start the setup, just give me 1 second to load. You can assign, if you accept the agreement, just assign to the folder, and then it's going to ask you for the license key. Now for the license key you need to go into the serial key right here. I provided the activation key as well, so just copy that and paste it right here. After that, just click next and install it. I won't install it right now because I've already got it installed. It should take you around 5 minutes tops, and if you've got a good PC it should take you approximately a minute or so. After it's installed, you just need to open up Photoshop, and it should look something like this while it's opening up. Yeah, so this is how it should look. Adobe Photoshop CS6 extended. It'll take about a minute to just load in and open up, and this is how it should look. And there you have it, Photoshop CS6 for free, and 2020. It's working and it's as good as any of the ones released now. Anyways guys, thanks for watching.